Hello world. We got the turkey bacon, and we got the eggs. I don't have the brown eggs, the white eggs. Eggs is eggs, okay? Alright, so we got the eggs and we got some bacon going. And you know we got the eggs coming up. Picking that up right now. I gotta put some butter on that man. But yeah, we out here cooking early in the morning. What time is it? Look, 8:33, if you can see. 8:33, early morning vibes. But yeah, I guess it's like a day in life video. Drake, please don't copyright the video. Like, bruh, don't play me like that, Drake. But I'm over here supporting, listening to music, you know what I'm saying? But it's alright. But yeah, I'll let you know when it's done. I'm back. So I just made like a little bit of eggs and bacon. I already ate a little bit of it. Take a little bit dark, but yeah. About to eat this real quick, and then I might go on a run. I don't know, it might be cold as hell. Alright, so we're upstairs now, looking at the market. It might look a little bit weird, because it's like a little bit dark in here, but it's fine. But we're looking at Apple right now. I'm gonna turn this music down because they're gonna copyright me for sure. So we got Apple right now. So the market did not open yet because it's very early. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock, 8:53 in the morning. So I have puts and sales for Apple this week. Alright, so it is currently 10 o'clock now. Last time I had the camera was like 8:50, something like that. But we are. So this is our Apple trade, right? So we're going in, we have the puts in for sales. You know, Apple's playing with my emotions right now. But come on, focus. I'm gonna try to make this darker. Okay, yeah. So we have two put options in. What's this called? We have what is it? 152.5 and 150 puts. 155, and you know we're up $50. $40, but you get the point. But market just opened up, so we're gonna see what the market does, and yeah, we shall see. Because you know, Apple. Fix this. Apple's trying to play with me. No. Sell. Go down. Now. But it is what it is. I marked it up. If it goes where it's supposed to go, it's gonna go. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna work out until later. I'll probably do like a little workout at home, cause I do not feel like going to the gym right now. Other than that, I'll probably just bring my camera with me if I go stop at my mom's or something. I do have to stop at my mom's, cause I don't think my brothers have school today. But I'm gonna stop by over there and see what's going on with them. And yeah, I'm gonna try not to look at my phone. But when you're trading, it's kind of hard to like not look at your phone. But it's alright. And roll to the next clip. Hello, beautiful people. So we're back. So we are now going to get my brothers from school. It's 2:10 right now. Put it this way. It's 2:10 right now. They get out at 3 o'clock, but I go early because all the parents. Right, all the parents are there like a whole hour early, and it takes mad long just for me to get a spot. So that's what we're going to do right now. Dang, it's cold in here. But yeah, we about to go pick them up right now, and after that we're gonna go to my mom's house. take them home. And I'll pick up the camera when they get in the car. Alright, peace. We finally got it. This man got these big glasses on.
I really wasn't and I didn't know.
Yeah, put your seatbelt on.
The computer glasses.
Put your seatbelt on too. What you mean computer glasses?
These are computer glasses.
What about you? You put your seatbelt on.
Because I'm recording.
Jakor, you know how I did a black whip at the trampoline park?
Yep.
I did it at school on the grass and I nearly broke my back. I asked Mason, I did it.
You gotta be careful.
At recess, it was fun.
You gotta be careful.
He landed on his neck.
Yeah, but I know it hurt.
Alright,
No.
I don't know when I'm picking this camera back up, so bye. Y'all can barely see me, but yeah. I'm going to the gym now. It's currently 7:50 p.m. I'm gonna be at the gym probably till like 11. I'm gonna go work out, then play basketball. And I'm gonna call it a day. I'm probably not gonna pick up the camera. If I do, then you'll see me pick up the camera, but you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for watching, and peace. See you in the next one.